headlines. Leshimba Sanajaba files nomination for Rajya Sabha elections. India reports first COVID-19 death in Karnataka. And Manipur government declares holiday for all schools. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Titular King of Manipur, Leshimba Sanajaba today filed nomination for the March 26 Rajya Sabha elections as BJP candidate. The National BJP recently declared him as the Saffron Party's nominee from Manipur. The total strength of Manipur Assembly is 60. The opposition Congress in Manipur is yet to finalize its candidate. Manipur Chief Minister and BJP leader N. Biren, ministers and MLAs accompanied Leshimba during the filing of nomination papers. Chief Minister Biren thanked the centre for choosing Leshimba Sanajaba, the titular king of Manipur, as the Saffron Party's nominee from Manipur. He stated that the centre has given recognition to the legacy of the state.
In India, so we are very proud and thanks to the national leaders for appointing, selecting the titular kings, Leshimba Maharaj, for the Rajya Sabha post. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Leshimba Sanajaba said he has been chosen as BJP's nominee from the state and the main objective is
Adi masi makha phajana mai future am semba yadaba amsung lebaki tokche nangai ai chai kun mari manga ochen chen lebaki torok pase kharai hena masak tongna tobang amna gi adi wakhal lode da ai masi yajabani.
India reported its first coronavirus death late on Thursday after samples of a 76-year-old man who was a suspected COVID-19 patient and passed away on March 10, tested positive for the disease. B. Sriramulu, the health minister of Karnataka, said in a tweet that authorities were currently carrying out contact tracing, isolation and other measures related to the case. Earlier in the day, the health ministry said the number of patients in the country has risen to 74, with fresh cases reported from Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Ladakh. The coronavirus has now infected more than 1,25,288 people globally, according to the World Health Organization. Google today confirmed that an employee in their Bengaluru office was diagnosed with COVID-19 and has been put on quarantine. The spokesperson for Google said employees working at Bangalore office have been asked to work from home tomorrow. A 76-year-old man who died 2 days ago in Karnataka while being treated for suspected coronavirus has become India's first COVID-19 fatality, the state government said yesterday. The number of COVID-19 patients in India has risen to 75, including 16 Italians and 1 Canadian. The figure also includes 3 patients from Kerala who was discharged last month following recovery. With the WHO declaring COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic, India has taken the unprecedented decision to suspend all visas bearing select categories till April 15. Government of Manipur under the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has advised the people to reduce mass gatherings to prevent the spread of COVID-19 novel coronavirus in the state. In the press release, the Manipur government has appealed to all concerned to seek prior approval from the concerned Deputy Commissioner from organizing mass gathering events. Meanwhile, the Education Department, Government of Manipur has ordered all schools, including government, government-aided schools and private schools in the state to remain closed till March 31st to ensure reduction of mass gathering in view of the COVID-19. The release, however, stated that all kinds of examination already scheduled by BOSIM and COSIM will not be affected by the order. We'll take a short break now. Stay tuned.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBA ni. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawbiyo.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumza listing ama chawpan marifom do digi hong chay kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga simak lenshin direktuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badom gi khang chana ba single power sa tambio ai ko gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road, Pawai Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1, within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2, outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3, outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 180010275959 or 8794613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Welcome back. The Jammu and Kashmir administration today ordered the release of former Chief Minister and Lok Sabha MP Farooq Abdullah, who has been detained under the Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act on September 15, 2019. The detention was extended by 3 months on December 13, 2019 as per a media report. The PSA order, which was imposed by Srinagar District Magistrate, has been withdrawn with immediate effect. Abdullah was placed under detention on August 5, 2019 when the centre revoked Article 370, which granted the then Jammu and Kashmir state special status. Omar Chief Ministers Mehbooba Mufti and Omar Abdullah remain in detention under the draconian law. Abdullah was held under the PSA with a view to prevent him from acting in any manner prejudicial to the maintenance of public order. The burning of waste at Imphal's How Kaithe last night caused panic among shop owners as the fire became danger. The incident took place around 9:30 p.m, a report said today. A brigade team arrived at the spot and managed to control the fire. Common Service Centre CSE E-Governance Services India Limited Manipur today organized a one-day state-level workshop on digital micro, small and medium enterprise MSME scheme at the auditorium of Indian Institute of Information Technology IIIT, Mandipukri, Imphal East. The workshop was held under the aegis of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Delegates from all CSC centres in the hills and valley attended the workshop. Speaking during the workshop, State Head of CSC, Supervisor Wanghim Dilip said that the objective of the workshop is to enhance the performance of CSC centres across Manipur and ensure the smooth functioning.
Laiba Viali Miamse Aquina Fazana train to Gurgadi, Makoizina Mu resource person Waraga, Hariba, Grand Panchayat, Natra Village, Natragan, Laiba Mapam the Hangiba Miamsina, Makoizina Sagi Public Makoina resource person Warga, Makoina Muk train to Birapangani Havagi Asana, Queen Dozerish. Apika Pikpa, Nataga Asoba Enterprise, Miamsigi, Makoigi, Atoba Association, Laiba Miamsigi President, Moimasama Sungasi, a kind of function, Makoyabiri.
Hill Tribal Council More HTC burned and destroyed a large quantity of seized drugs which included brown sugar, heroin and WY tablets yesterday. The drugs were seized from various places of More town during separate drives, HTC said today. As a part of Poshan Pakwara, a drive against malnutrition and awareness program for Anganwadi workers of Luang Shangbum was organized by ICDS Imphal East. On the occasion, Supervisor of Anganwadi Luang Shangbum sector, Binarani Kangambum, urged all first-time pregnant women to take the benefit of Poshan scheme.
PMMB वाइगी मतंग दसु मयाम दा हाइजनिंगी ममा तुबु बातें पांगबा ओइना मची ओबा चिंजाक चाननबा अमदि हिदाक लांथक लेननबा डॉक्टर तानननबा पैसा मतें लिसिंग मंगा सरकारना पी मसी मयामना मनाक नकपा अंगनवादी सेंटर दा चलगा फॉर्म लौबिरगा तानबिरगा फॉर्म से थागत पिरउ लिसिंग मंगा से सुसुम सोइदना फंगनी मसीगी खुदोंचाबसे मयामना लौबियोना हाइजनिंगी.
We'll take another short break. Keep watching.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hatta New Chekon Road.
Senior for Senior Care, Medlin Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paikatchaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahangba form khara kaujuri. Masida masagi sahi kuntra manga dagina yankhai manga fawgi manungda laiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani. On job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medlin Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong jabsu pijari. Masida sarv gyabiningba miyoi singna satliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Jenims Hospital Porompata leiba Medlin Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabi.
Welcome back. One of the most popular topics on the Chinese microblog Weibo on Thursday was the 1-minute clip of a US congressional hearing this week on how the country was dealing with the coronavirus. As per media reports, in the video posted by the People's Daily, Robert Redfield, director of the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, is asked whether there may have been deaths attributed to influenza that could actually have been the result of COVID-19. Redfield responded in the affirmative. Some cases have been actually diagnosed that way in the United States today. Redfield's vague answer was enough to add fuel to a conspiracy theory that has been gaining traction over the past 2 weeks in China, that the coronavirus did not originate in China but may have come from the US instead. The coronavirus has spread rapidly across the world. More than 128,000 people have been infected, the vast majority in just 4 countries, China and South Korea, where new cases are declining, and Iran and Italy, where they are not. The spread has slowed so much in China that the government sent a medical crew to Italy and offered surplus supplies to Iran, a media report said. The situation is particularly grave in Iran, which on Thursday reported 75 new deaths from the coronavirus, bringing the death toll to 429 in the worst hit country in the Middle East. We have identified 1,075 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, meaning that there are 10,075 infected people in the country. The death toll is 429, Health Ministry spokesman Kanshur Jahanpur told state television. Iran on Thursday said it has asked the International Monetary Fund (IMF) for $5 billion in emergency funding to combat the coronavirus outbreak. In fact, the local outbreak was so vast in Iran that the country began digging burial trenches so large that they are visible from space. The fact was brought to light by Washington Post, which reported about the burial trenches Behesht-e-Masoumeh complex in Qom, about 145 kilometers from capital Tehran. Now we have the sports news. The 6th Northeast Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 was kicked off yesterday at Sivsagar in Assam. The 4-day championship is organized by All India Kung Fu Federation. 42 players from Manipur are taking part in the championship. Team manager T.H. Norendra, coaches N. Viren and A. Pintu Devi, and General Secretary of All India Kung Fu Federation and TOMTV, Bishnupur correspondent Dr. H. Roman led the state Kung Fu team. During the opening function, cultural troops from Assam showcased traditional dance and songs. In all, 450 players from Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Nagaland are taking part. The 9th Kangle Mega Sports Festival 2020 concluded today at Mapal Kangjebong, Imphal. The sports festival was organized by Kangle Park Students Association. Social worker R.K. Rameshwar, KSA President N. Chetan and National and International Awardee H. Ibotombi Kuman attended the closing function. A marathon carrying a message to stop using single-use plastic, keeping surroundings clean and maintaining a healthy society was held today in Thoubal district. The race started from Thoubal DC gate and ended at Lamding ground. The marathon was jointly organized by Water Sanitation Committee Thoubal and Education Enhancement Organization Lamding under the supervision of PHED Thoubal Division. Executive Engineer of PHED Thoubal Division and Livingstone appealed to the people to make a plastic-free environment. Laishuram Priyobrata of Chirapur secured the first position in marathon and KH Dhanavir from Wangbal and H. Benjamin from Lamding secured the second and third positions respectively. Now the top news headlines once again. Leshemba Sanajawa files nomination for Rajya Sabha elections. India reports first COVID-19 death in Karnataka. And Manipur government declares holiday for all schools. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.